Bienvenue à la classe. This is Technique Tips with RMJ Studios, a virtual dance studio. Today, we'll be getting into two of our foundational steps, Relevé and Elevé. They're typically used interchangeably since they both basically mean the same thing in French, which is to raise for relevé and to lift for élevé. There's a slight technical difference between these two, so let's get into it. Let's start with relevé since it's the most common term that you'll hear. For relevé, we'll start down in plie. From here, you'll lift your heels into what's called a forced arch and then straighten the knees to balance on the balls of your feet. Relevé is very similar, but instead of rolling through your plie, you'll keep your legs straight and lift straight onto the balls of your feet. Even though relevé is the most common term, élevé is the most common movement. It's important here to remember to keep your weight centered forward on your big and second toes. Not only will this help you balance, but it will also protect your ankles in case you lose your balance. If you fall, always fall forward to keep from rolling your ankles. And that's it for your relevé and élevé. Easy, right? Now, next time we'll get into another pair of foundational steps, but for now, I'm Malone Jr., and this has been Technique Tips. Be sure to check out my full live online classes at rmjstudios.com for more.